With orecchiette pasta. Beef broth is the perfect weekday dinner for those cold days. Imagine having a warm bowl of beef broth when you come from work. And to make it even better, we are adding a traditional Italian pasta which comes from Puglia, and is called orecchiette. These are the ingredients: 2 medium onions, a couple stalks celery, 2 large carrots, 8 medium cherry tomatoes, 500 grams chuck steak pieces for making a broth, 2 or 3 beef bones, 150 grams orecchiette pasta, high-quality extra virgin olive oil and 2 liters water, or more depending on how long you leave it to simmer. Salt and pepper to taste, optional bay leaf or cloves. Start by cutting the onions into medium pieces. Then cut your carrots into thick slices, and do the same for your celery stalks. Next, cut your cherry tomatoes in half. Clean your meat pieces, and prepare them in a bowl. Transfer all your vegetables to a big pot on the stove or hob. Drizzle a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil on top of your vegetables. Cover with a lid and let them saute for 10 minutes. Next, add the beef and bones, season with salt and pepper, and mix everything together. Leave them to cook for 5 minutes. It's now time to add your water. Add 1.5 liters now, cover the pot with the lid, and leave to simmer for at least 1 hour if possible longer. Every now and then have a look, so you can remove the foam that is created at the top. That's created by the excess fat in the beef. Remove it and throw it away. After an hour or 1 hour and a half, add half a liter to 1 liter of water. The longer you leave it simmering for, the more water you want to add back. Then let it simmer again for another 30 minutes. It's now time to add your pasta. And leave it to cook following the packaging instructions. Once ready, serve and enjoy plenty of beef broth, vegetables, and beef pieces. You can make extra and have leftovers the next day for lunch or dinner. Make sure to serve your pasta with some grated Parmesan on top. For all the vegans, feel free to replace the beef with your favorite type of mushrooms. Buon appetito!